Hi, welcome. I am Allan Yu, the Math Guru, and I'm so excited to be your host on this journey. Is your child coming home with math homework using strategies that do not make sense or seem logical? Are you a homeschool parent who's looking for a math curriculum that is both meaningful and inspiring? Did you personally struggle with math and always wonder why it didn't make sense? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you have absolutely found the right program. I bring to you a math curriculum that's not only designed to help your children learn math, but also to nurture the self-confidence and love for math that is so important to develop in early childhood. We've been raising generations of kids who consistently question the relevance of math. When am I ever going to use math in my life? And kids who grow up to be adults who felt that they were never good at math. This is a systemic problem that affects the majority of the population. The mindset and math education standards have shifted to address these issues. You should no longer teach your children the way you were taught when you were learning math. The most recent research has shown that teaching a curriculum focused primarily on the traditional American algorithm not only stifles a child's ability to problem solve independently, but also discourages them from pursuing careers in math-related fields. At the beginning of any school year, I would always tell my students something that no other teacher has ever said to them before. Math is not about numbers. Math is about solving problems. The numbers are used to help us figure out possible solutions, but the focus of math, the umbrella of math, is problem solving. Anytime you're trying to figure out a problem, you are using math. It could be something as simple as trying to decide what you're going to eat for lunch. Do I eat pasta or buy a sandwich? Which one costs more? Which one would increase the probability of me feeling full and satisfied? Do I have enough time to eat? How fast is the line moving? Which one can I finish faster? Math is about problem solving, and our focus as teachers should be to help students develop this skill set. The traditional way of teaching math, unfortunately, does not emphasize independent thinking. Students are taught which steps and rules to follow that oftentimes are problem-specific and not generalizable. As soon as something changes, if the decimals move or if the denominators are different, they would have to learn a new rule. Do you know how many math rules we had to learn from kindergarten through 12th grade? Over 1,000 rules. Oftentimes they were disconnected from each other. Fractions alone have over 40 rules. Our goal as teachers and parents should be to help create the next generation of confident problem solvers, not math rule followers. I've spent the last 20 years both as a teacher and student of education. I offer a unique perspective on teaching math as my approach is a combination of my experiences as a special education instructor, electrical engineer, and psychology major. These experiences include working as a director with the UCLA Math Project program and creating a STEAM Math and STEM Center. In this video series, you will learn how to teach and support your children using techniques based on decades of research studying some of the best and most effective practices around the world. The series is separated into strands, not grade levels, as this allows students to move at their own pace regardless of grade. You will be joining an online community of progressive thinkers to reinforce the idea that math is everywhere.